Hi, I'm Dr. Zen. I'm from Fiji. I'm a GP by profession and I've been practicing for the last 25 years. This healing retreat has been very enlightening. There's a lot more to what I do as a Western practitioner. Rather than just treating the disease, we are treating the person as a whole. So I have implemented some of these learnings into my practice.
My name's Greg. I'm a retired dentist from Queensland. And I've come along with the course out of curiosity and interest, and certainly have not been disappointed. It's been like a journey to discover things I never even knew existed. It's allowed me to really enjoy being in my body to a degree that I haven't really felt before. I would highly recommend just immersing yourself in one of these weekends. For me personally, it's had an absolute wealth of knowledge in areas I don't even know anything about.
My name is Chad Boga. I've been in a wheelchair for around a year. The workshop, I found it energizing. It brought more focus and peace. There's a lot of work to do with the fascia and energy, which is beneficial to everyone. I would recommend it to anyone, both in a wheelchair and out of a wheelchair.
I'm Lara Arden. I am a business awards coach and I'm based here in Brisbane. This 4-day retreat, it's been full of theory, full of hands-on applications so that you can really experience. It's just incredible. There's been a lot of healing that's been happening during the 4-day event and I'm feeling really nourished, motivated. It's life-changing, deep and profound, but so enlightening in such a beautiful way.
I'm Suzette. Absolutely amazing. It is the first time in my journey where I have been in a room and been able to share stories and experiences in this energetic healing space to get that validation around healing in such a loving, open space has been absolutely phenomenal.
I'm Peter Burgess. I'm an engineer and an entrepreneur in the environmental space. These days have been fantastic for us. We've been to many retreats, so this is not a new thing for us. The masters have given many techniques that we weren't aware of before. Each night we go home, we feel very relaxed, blessed, gentle, ready for a good night's sleep.